clear version adheres to only parsimony principle, to do more with less, and with a consistent prime vector, which is still not clear to most members, where it appears that the radius of two touching spheres is confused with the diameter of two touching spheres, and that's only sometimes, whenever the condition have to be suited. Well, sometimes they say it's a radius, sometimes it's a diameter, and we don't know when after 40 or 60 years this is still not consistent, because I was on a list several times on a synergy list, and I've seen among the members there were inconsistency and disagreements and arguments and so on and so forth, and really nobody knows for sure how it is. And Synergetics keeps on traveling on like nothing have happened, and so that's fine for Synergetics. So it appears that throughout the debates only the irregular tetrahedron structuring is consistent with one prime vector and the lowest common denominator composition, and only these three blocks which I have demonstrated, this one, and this one, only these three blocks only these three blocks derived from a small cube are the most diverse and more nature-like. So let's rebuff Bucky's reasoning. First, Bucky says he wanted to replace the cubic system with the regular tetrahedron volumes and equal the triangles areas, which according to my demonstration completely failed. Kirby then makes a statement to me that Synergetics is just a different method, and that Synergetics will not back up, but it will stroll alongside with the cube. Well, honestly, after all this demonstration, the Synergetics cannot stroll alongside with the cube, because all the Synergetics claims are wrong, inconsistent, and do not provide any bit of simplicity, logic, or parsimony principle. Other statement to defend the already crumbled and inefficient system was that we have to look at Bucky as an original thinker, meaning that even if wrong, he is still original. Well, all I have to say that science cannot be admired by style or fashion, and originality is only valid if true. Otherwise, it is nothing more than an empty bubblegum top. This fact clearly demonstrates that Synergetics is horribly wrong, and Bucky's originality is absolutely worthless. Kirby also states with pride that children in Manchuria have all the Synergetics fundamentals printed on cereal boxes. Well, I just wonder what kind of fundamentals. Appears that what's printed on those cereal boxes is nothing more than an ideal wishful thinking, not describing any empirical evidence. So all those children in Andalusia or wherever these cereal boxes are printed, providing nothing more than a false sense of some unique Synergetics knowledge. One comment to Kirby: you might understand Synergetics, but appears do not understand irregular tetrahedrons derived from the cube, which is the first issue. The other issue is that if you knew all those things and actually in time realized that the cube dissections can work in both the 90 and 60 degree coordinate system with consistency of the true prime vector, but you decided to suppress these facts by some nonchalant comments apparent throughout all your writings to me, then I have to question the integrity of yours and some Synergy members' character. Thank you, and see you next time.